Good afternoon, children. This is Hemlata and welcome to class 7 IIT Physics online class. So, last class what we discussed? We discussed some important questions from concept 2. Is it? Concept 2, trigonometry functions, trigonometric solutions we were discussing, exercise questions we were discussing. So, that is over, and today we are going to start concept 3. Okay, trigonometric identities. So, today's topic is concept 3, trigonometric identities. Clear? So, let's start. First, the three main trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. So, three main trigonometric functions are sine, cosine and tangent. Clear? These are the three main. Again are there. What are that? Cot, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Is it? But that three are the reciprocals of these three. The main three functions are sine, cosine and tangent. Next is trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities are what? Trigonometric identities are the equations. Equations that true for right angle triangle. There are 8 main trigonometric identities. Okay, we will discuss now, and how to remember them very easily also I will explain. There is a trick. Okay, I will explain that trick also. So, the 8 important identities. First, you see children, these are the first 5 trigonometric identities. Already trigonometric identities already we completed, is it now? In slowly I explained in the concept 2 only. So, these are particularly trigonometric identities concept is there. So, once again we will do that one. Basically focusing on this. First is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. See children, is it an equation? Yes or no? Equation having two parts, one LHS and RHS. Left hand side, RHS, right hand side. Middle equation equal to sign will be there. Is it? So, first equation is what? Tan theta. First identity tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Second identity is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to reverse cos theta by sin theta. You can remember children, tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal of each other, yes or no? So, RHS also, as LHS are reciprocal of each other, like that RHS also reciprocal of each other. Tan theta, cot theta reciprocal, sin theta by cos theta reciprocal, cos theta by sin theta. Clear? So, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Next, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. These are the first 5 trigonometric identities. Okay. So, see children, next you can see here what I told you before. I will explain you the easy method to remember these identities. Is it or no? So, this is the method to remember the trigonometric identities. What is this? Magic hexagon. What is this shape? Can you identify? It's a hexagon. Hexagon means what? A polygon with 6 sides, 6 regular sides. A polygon with 6 regular sides is called what? Hexagon. See, 6 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. It's a hexagon. It's a magic hexagon. Why it's a magic hexagon? Because it gives you all the 8 identities. Easily you can remember by using this magic hexagon. Okay. So, let's start. For this, first you have to draw the hexagon. I'll draw a simple one. See, like this you have to draw one hexagon. Clear? One hexagon you have to draw. Then after, what you have to do, you have to draw its diagonals like this. Diagonals you have to draw. Means vertex to opposite vertex you have to join by the line segments. This vertex to this vertex you have to join. This vertex to this vertex. This vertex to this vertex. Like this you have to join. Now draw all the diagonals for the hexagon. Clear? Now next, what you have to just remember, TSC. What you have to remember? TSC. What are TSC? The three main functions, trigonometric functions. Now I'll explain now. Tangent, sine, cosine. T for tangent. S for sine. C for cosine. Clear? Tangent, sine and cosine. TSC you have to remember. How to give this? You have to start from left side. You have to start T. T, S, C. This much only you have to remember. Got it? Draw one hexagon, draw its all diagonals. Then TSC, tangent, sine and cosine. TSC you have to remember. Its position you have to remember. TSC position. Tan, sine, cosine. So now see here. Already see one hexagon is there. Tan, sine, cosine. Then after, see children, the first identity. First identity, tan theta by sine theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. How to get by this magic hexagon? You have to start from T. Okay, you have to go clockwise direction. You know, clock, the hands of clock, how it is moving? It is moving like this, no? That is clockwise direction. So you have to, from tan, sine, cosine, like this, clockwise direction. So tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Clockwise direction. First identity, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Second identity, like this you have to come. Anti-clockwise. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sine theta. Are you understanding? Huh? First you have to mark TSC, tan, sine, cosine. You have to mark. Clockwise direction, tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. Anti-clockwise direction, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. First two over, trigonometric identity. Okay, now next comes, you see, for this diagonal, see, sine theta, this one and this one connected. Sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay, next this one, this and this connected. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal. Next, this and this connected. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Clear? Children, suppose maybe first time when you are listening, maybe you are not getting. Because getting in listening first time only is not a small deal. Got it? You had to listen the class 2-3 times, minimum 2-3 times. You repeat, okay? You listen the class, see the video, repeat the videos. Then compulsory you will get it. Clear? So, did you understand first identity? Clockwise, tan theta equal to sine by cos theta. Second identity, anti-clockwise, cot theta equal to sine cos theta by sine theta. 2 over. Next, like this, sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. This one, cos theta by 1 by sec theta by 1 by cos theta. Then this one, tan theta by 1 by cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 5 identities are over. Next 3 important identities. So next children, see, now I cleaned the before all 5 identities and their markings on the hexagon. Clear? Now the next 3 important identities we will get. Okay, for this you can see here at the point what is given 1, because 1 is an important factor. So 1 is the important factor for next 3 identities. That's why at the center I gave 1. How 1 is related with the other identities, now we will see. Okay, so you see children, you have to draw some arrows. Yes, some bent arrows. How to draw? You see it very carefully. First this one, like this, you have to draw one bent arrow. Same like this side, like this. Same here also, like this. Are you getting? With other ink also I will draw. You can easily identify. First bent arrow I gave here, like this. Second bent arrow here, like this. Next here, like this. Now these bent arrows, how these will give you the next 3 identities? See, 6th identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. See the arrows. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is our first identity. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 is at center, 1. From this again 2 we can find out. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to, okay, what? 1 minus sin square theta. Children, maybe you are thinking, why Mrs. is telling these many identities? Why? Because these are very very important. Not now, otherwise 8th class, 9th class, when the trigonometry you will study in your general maths. Okay, that time these will be helpful for you to solve the sums. Sometimes according to question, sometimes you have to use this, sometimes you have to use this. One identity only in different ways you have to use. That time you will understand why I am telling you now these. Clear? Your main identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this, these 2 are there. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 2 came from this. Next, 7th identity, come here. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Thus next identity, tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. This is the main one. Like this, from this only again 2 will come. What is that 2? Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Clear? Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is going that side. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This one we did not already. Once you turn your pages, we did this one already. Given sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is a main one. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. From this one came. When you will shift 1 that side, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to plus 1. Clear? This is also over. 8th identity. We are in the last identity. See the arrow mark. Starting point here. Means what is this? 1. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. From this again 2 we will take. What is that? Cot square u, shift that side. What you will get? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Next is what? Cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Next cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 over. Next cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to 1, shift that side. Cosec square theta minus 1. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So here children, your main identity is this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. These three you have to remember. These two, no need to remember. Why? These are coming from that. If you will get this one, this you can do it. No need to remember that one. These three are the main. These three main, how to remember? By using magic hexagon. Is it? Magic hexagon. All 8 identities. With this magic hexagon we got. Is it or not? So remember the magic hexagon and remember the 8 important identities. This is for today. Today what we learned? We learned 8 important trigonometric identities and we understood how to remember that 8 identities very easily by using magic hexagon. Next class we will do some sums on these identities, trigonometric identities. Clear? I hope you have written this one. Once again I will tell you, you have to watch this video minimum 3 to 4 times, then you will understand. 1 time or 2 times is not at all enough. You have to write down this magic hexagon, you have to draw. 2 times draw by seeing, and then after without seeing you have to practice. Get these identities by seeing this hexagon by yourself. See, are you getting or not? Then see the notes how I had done. Got it? Thanks for watching.